Welcome to JHGWoodCraft. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I want to talk to you about another series I was thinking about doing and see if this is something you all are interested in. Essentially want to do a series on things that go wrong. I was thinking about all of the problems that happen during projects and mistakes that are made. And if any craftsman tells you they don't make a mistake, they're lying, and you should probably find somebody else to do a project for you. Just like I told my kids when growing up, it's not about whether or not you make a mess, it's do you clean it up? And so at the end of the day, what does it look like? What did you do to clean up the mistakes? So what I see this looking like is I'll do a weekly video and give everybody an opportunity to actually comment below in the comments as to what I did wrong, what happened wrong, what could have been done better. This would be a good series for beginners to identify problems in a project. Could also be good for people that are experienced to really, a lot of times we get lazy when we've been doing stuff for a long time or careless. So it could be a safety issue. Could be I could have done something a better way. That'll help me. I think it'll help you. But like I said, comment below if it's something you're interested in. Of course, like and subscribe so that if we do this, you'll get the notifications around it. And it's an added bonus. One of the things we'll do is we'll do a drawing for either one of our charcuterie, which are hand designed by our very own Cinder. And these are little charcuterie monsters. So charcuterie, real cute little monsters. They can be used for charcuterie or they can be used for cutting board. Or if you enjoy sampling your drinks or sharing those at home, you get one of our flight boards. I'll personalize it for you. It has this nice little epoxy strip that you can write in what it is you're serving, and then a place for each of your cups. So if that's interesting to you, let me know in the comments, and if we get enough interest, we'll start that series. Thanks, and hope you all have a great day.